Most people think investing is only for rich people, but that's a lie. If you don't invest, you're actually losing money every single day. And most people don't even realize it. In this video, Stickman will explain investing in the simplest way possible. No fancy words, no confusion, just the truth. By the end of this video, you'll understand what investing really is, why it makes people rich, and how you can start thinking like an investor. Part 1, what investing really is. Let's start simple. Investing means putting your money into something that can grow and make more money for you over time. That's it. Saving money just keeps it safe. Investing makes it work. When you invest, your money becomes a worker, and that worker brings you more money back. If your money is just sitting in a bank, it's doing nothing. Part 2, why saving alone makes you poor. Here's the problem. Inflation is always eating your money. That means the same money buys less every year. So if you only save, you're actually getting poorer slowly. Rich people know this. That's why they invest. They don't let inflation steal from them. Part 3, what people actually invest in. People invest in different things: stocks, businesses, real estate, and assets that grow over time. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your money grows with it. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start early and be consistent. Part 4, the biggest investing mistake. Most beginners make one huge mistake. They want fast money, they buy, they panic, they sell. They repeat this again and again. Investing is not gambling, it's a long game. Time is the secret weapon. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Part 5, compounding explained simply. Compounding means your money makes money, and then that money makes even more money. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but over time, it gets huge. This is how normal people become wealthy. Not overnight, but over years. Part 6, investor mindset. Investors think differently. They spend less than they earn. They invest the difference, and they stay patient. They don't chase trends, they build systems. That's the real game. This is Investing Explained with Stickman. If this helped you, comment what finance topic you want next. And don't forget to subscribe.